what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm starting a new series called Cooking with Maddie. So let's get into it. So we are going to be making a new lunch recipe called a rice salad. So let's get started. So first, you're going to be getting some rice that you have. I just have some leftovers. And you're going to be getting some vegetables that you have. So I have tomatoes and lettuce. Yeah, so I don't really like, I put mine differently than I'm a weird person. I do lettuce and some fresh cut onions and peppers and stuff. So we're going to put those in. And so, yeah, so we're going to get some rice and heat it up. So first I need a bowl. So I'm making myself lunch. It's like a lunch. I mean, it's a rice salad. No, it isn't. No. All right. Anyway, can you help me open this?
Can you make me a salad?
Yeah, if you help me open this.
But without rice?
Abby, can I have some of your cheese puffs?
Cheese puffs! Yeah, but there's no cheese and breadsticks.
It's not cocoa butter cases.
Okay. So, if you can open it, then, yeah. Just take your rice.
It's like 60 degrees or something.
You know what? Can you still like this? We're just making regular salads today. Yeah. Okay, so, yeah, I know. So, what you're going to do is you're going to get all your salad ingredients. You're going to get 2 bowls. I just use whatever vegetables I can find, really. And then you take your head of lettuce or your packaged lettuce, whatever kind of lettuce you have, and you just put it in the bowl to make a salad. Just like, and you do want to wash your your vegetables and cool. Mommy's stressing. Oh, yeah, Mom's actually coming. Alright, so then just gonna get all your lettuce and just put it out. Put it in your bowl. Once you have the amount of lettuce you want, or vegetables, just put in all your vegetables. Hey, Mom. How do you? I did it. So then you're just gonna put some tomatoes.
I'm hungry.
Whatever, Frank.
And then you're just gonna take all your. Hey, Mom. All your tomatoes.
I don't know what you want me to say. Maddie, what are you
I'm making
doing?
me and Abby salads for lunch. She wanted one and I wanted one too.
I don't think she wants tomatoes.
Do you want tomatoes, Abby? Really? I guess I'll just eat it all myself.
Yeah.
So, we're only gonna need 1 bowl for this. Maybe I should.
Did your teachers post anything now?
And then I'm just gonna put all the onions on top. And just get all your vegetables in there.
They posted on Wednesday.
And
I
then
did a little bit of
you're gonna put your dressing.
What you want.
My dressing is going to be.
You really care.
I don't have salad dressing, but that's actually good with me because I like ranch in my salad. I don't know what you guys like, but I like ranch. So we are going to be putting the ranch into the bowl, and yeah. So we're just gonna. You might be like, this looks so gross right now. Like what I'm looking at it looks kind of good, but kind of gross. So what I do is now I kind of like mix it and stuff to get all the the lettuce on everything, not just on a few pieces of lettuce. Get like the tomatoes and stuff all up and stuff. Get all the vegetables really up. And yeah.
With the water bottle,
So,
He hit me straight in the leg with a water bottle.
sorry guys about the noise in the background.
I'm a loser.
So just mix it.
Dumb loser.
There you go. Now you have, like, toss it kind of. Now you have a tossed salad. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And stay awesome and stay sweet. Bye.